how to turn off Gemini on Samsung phone. So Gemini is basically voice assistant by Google, and if you want to turn that off, I'm going to show you how you can do this. Firstly, let's swipe up for app drawer, and here we need to search for Gemini app. What you're going to do is you're going to press and hold its icon, and then tap the info button, which is little eye icon in the circle next to the Gemini name. It will open the app settings. So what we can do is we can tap disable on the bottom of the screen. But if you have the option to uninstall, then better use uninstall option, because I don't have this one, and disable is the only option I got. So tap disable. But after this tap, if you press and hold your power button, you can still see that the Gemini is triggered. So what we can do next is we can open up the settings, scroll down to the section advanced features, and choose side button. Now tap on long press, and from digital assistant you gotta switch to power off menu. Or if you have more than one or two digital assistants, but you can choose another one, for example Bixby. And now when you'll be pressing your power button, it will trigger Bixby or the power off menu instead of Gemini. But if you want to go further, then what else we can do is tap the search at the top and enter Gemini. Now go ahead and tap on Gemini settings. And here, what you can do is tap on digital assistants from Google, and from Gemini switch to Google Assistant. Now you just gotta tap the button switch once again. And if you want to, you can skip this step. And now we just disabled Gemini by going back to default Google Assistant. And also here you can find the section Hey Google and voice match, and you can turn that off if you don't want to trigger Google by your voice. So you can go even further and turn that off. And also while driving. Additionally, you can delete voice match model if you created one. Now you can also go back to your home screen, tap on Google, tap your profile at the top right, and choose settings. From here, find Google Assistant, tap on that, go ahead and tap on lock screen, make sure it is turned off here. And also, you can find general setting here, and usually we can see Google Assistant tab, so we can turn off Google Assistant completely if you don't want to use both Gemini and Google Assistant, so you can disable just everything. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.